Hello, everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to manage clients in ClickUp. Managing clients effectively can be a challenging task, especially if you're juggling multiple projects. With ClickUp, however, you can transform this daunting process into an organized and efficient experience. ClickUp will automatically build out your list using this template, including sections and tasks tailored for managing client assignments, tracking deadlines, communications, and other essential elements. This feature can save you a significant amount of time in setting up the foundational structure, particularly if you handle multiple clients or complex projects. Now, a critical step is to edit the template to suit your specific needs. Don't worry if this takes a bit of time, especially if it's your first experience working with templates. You can customize task names, adjust due dates, add assignees, include attachments, and modify any other fields your client work requires. Perhaps you're dealing with a marketing contract instead of a legal one. Tweak the details to match your needs. Think of templates as blueprints that you can adjust so your workspace becomes both personal and practical for your workflow. And just like that, you've established a client management hub in ClickUp using a proven template tailored to your needs. This workflow is perfect whether you're working alone, collaborating within a team, or managing a busy agency. It keeps everything organized, clear, and in one place, allowing you to focus more on delivering excellent service to your clients, rather than getting caught up in the minutia of chasing tasks and deadlines. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to manage clients in ClickUp, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.